is Danish. I am in PYP Year 3C. The PYP Transdisciplinary Theme, How the World Works, represents an inquiry into how humans use their understanding of scientific principles in real life. After conducting an in-depth inquiry under this theme and the topic matter, we developed our research and self-management skills. Let us show you how.
Everything that you can see, touch and smell is matter. So you see matter naturally exists everywhere. It is the floor beneath your feet, water in your glass and breeze you feel. As I poured this milk, it immediately took the shape of its container. This is the significant property of a liquid. Unlike solids, liquids particles are not packed together, hence easily took a shape of its any container and are rather flowing.
We conducted a thorough research and found out that these small particles are also called molecules. These are so small that we cannot see with naked eye. These are only visible through a microscope.
How easily do you believe I will hold this pencil? I certainly assume that the particles of a pencil are so closely packed that they cannot move, and it makes it hard enough to hold. That's how solids are formed. As I blow into this balloon, it blows. The reason is that gas particles easily expand to fill the container and expand far more than a solid or a liquid. Gas is indeed impossible to catch, but could be easily confined just like I did in this balloon.
Matter exists in nature as a basic form but not always. Little changes sometimes change its state. So let's enter the PYPR 3C Scientist Laboratory.
Chocolate is solid by its properties, but I've always wondered how it's available in different shapes and sizes. We inquired through a melting experiment and learned that heating brings about this physical change in its state. No wonder they are available in all sizes and shapes.
Physical changes and chemical changes. You must have noticed these changes in an egg. Same egg can take different forms due to different changes. Sometimes the change is physical and sometimes the change is chemical, like in the eggs shown here. Thank you.
While inquiring about the changes in matter, we wanted to explore if the heating changes the states too. This is a bread with solid form. We can see it has its own shape. The bread was toasted. It didn't melt or change its state, but the color and the texture was changed, meaning a new substance was formed through chemical change.
When we chop the banana into small pieces, it shows that chopping banana is a physical change, as no new substance is formed. When we make banana shake, we add milk and some sugar. First we can add milk, then some sugar, and then some fruits like apple in it. Blending all the ingredients also bring about a physical change.
Have you ever seen a rotten fruit or tasted sour milk? It changes only one characteristics or two, but that is basically a chemical change without any heating as the new substance is being formed.
This gives us another aspect that sometimes Changes in matter could require complete chemical process. Let us show you how.
I love baking. I wonder how would I ever survive without mug cakes. Mug cakes are made through heating and infusion of particles in which liquids like egg and milk, solids like flour and chocolate are mixed together to form a fancy, sumptuous piece.
Sometimes changes are funny, but sometimes not.
These changes are all around us and they hold a great significance. In our life, we were inquisitive to investigate how.
Wow, it's pouring today. Rain is a great example of physical change. Sunlight heats up particles and causing them to expand and move faster. Sun and release into space and in the form of water vapors.
As this change gets bigger, as the water vapors start collecting in the sky in the form of clouds. These clouds pour in the form of rain.
Rain showers are a natural way of watering fields and pastures. It's a vital part of our lives. Lakes and rivers are the main source of drinking water, depend heavily on rains.
Natural changes in matter can be useful as well as damaging for us. Learning about matter helped us gain great knowledge and we were able to connect our findings with the global goal 30, that is, climate action. During our research, we identified that continued changes in natural states of matter, that is, ice melting into oceans, may affect the Earth's ecosystem and cause troubles like natural disasters.
बार बार माहौलियाती तब्दीली की वजह से भी समंदर की सतह में इजाफा हो रहा है। बर्फ पिघल रही है, बारिशों और सैलाबों का पानी समंदर में ही गिर रहा है। Global warming is one of the most prominent changes that is directly connected to us and causing many damages. To consolidate our learning and bring it into action, we made posters on global warming and spread awareness in our neighborhood and on social media forums. Thank you.